Five minutes later.
I am crazy excited today. Is this the biggest Jordan 1 release of 2023 so far? As I hinted in my February drip release, if you haven't seen that, click the link above, go check that out. These creps were always destined to be hugely popular, and the evidence is out there for all to see. Already reselling on the reseller market in my size for double that of retail. Jeez, it's like I said, we love our pandas. Today we are looking at the Jordan 1 High 85 in the black white colorway, aka what the kids are calling it, the Jordan 1 Panda. Let's get into it. What up, gang? It's your boy, it's your dog, it's your brother from another mother, aka the skin surgeon, aka Dr. Vassell, back today with some heat. Before we get into that heat though, if you could do your boy a solid, log into your socials and look up Dr. Vassell and follow that bad boy for more sneaker content and some general banter. Also, if you can continue to help your boy to grow by clicking that like button, and why not just slide across to that subscribe and click that bad boy too, as this helps me continue to bring this content to you. Annoyingly, I only seem to find expensive habits and hobbies, and this sneaker game is one of them. In fact, it just keeps getting more expensive, with these sneakers releasing for the bank emptying recommended retail price in the States for $200. That is £180 here in the UK. It's not cheap. Competition though is fierce, so it's likely if you really want these, you're gonna have to venture into the dark web, that is the reseller market, to cop. Whereas like I said, you can expect to pay anything for up to double retail. As always, Jordan 1s epitomize consistency, so I would go TTS, that's true to size. On this, I went for a UK 11 that fit me beautifully as always. Then we have the box. When we take a look at the box, you can see the aesthetics are not too dissimilar to a normal Jordan 1 box. The backdrop is red with the Nike and swoosh in black across all of the panels, popping and contrasting quite beautifully. I do like it. We have posteriorly Nike telling you about their swoosh and Nike trademarks and how you shouldn't touch them because that is naughty. Then on the front panel, we have the size tag, and you can see it reads Air Jordan 1 High 85, black and white in a US 12, a UK 11. So let's unbox. And when we do unbox, we are greeted with something nice. The lid itself is typical cardboard, nothing too different there. But what we do have is white tissue paper with the red Jumpman, Air Jordan and the synonymous 23, which nicely contrasts against the white tissue paper, which I do really like. Now, when we lift it, we are greeted, oh, I like that. So they have individually wrapped each sneaker in more white tissue paper. Boom! Yeah. Let your boy know in the comment section what you guys think. If you took an L, are you going to venture into the dark web and cop? So what are my first impressions? Well, 3 main points. Number 1, I did enjoy the unboxing experience. Number 2, we have black and white. It just goes. And we have the 85 spec styling. Now looking at the outsole, we can see typical Jordan 1 aesthetics in the tread. I love the fact that it is black, so it will help to conceal the wear and tear that is going to accumulate. Laterally now, we have the jet black outsole, and then we hit the midsole, which is bright white and actually has a textured grainy detail to it, giving the sneaker another little bit of depth and class. Then we hit the upper, which features traditional Jordan 1 color blocking. Like I said, it's in the color black and white, the Panda. We have jet black at the posterior panel, the anterior panel, the eye stays, the ankle strap and the swoosh, all to good effect, with the remaining panels being that bright Colgate white. With the stitching complementing the panels, i.e. if it's on a black panel, it's black stitched and vice versa. The only time that changes, if you notice, is as it crosses over the Nike tick. The sexy Air Jordan logo embossed as well in white, again popping beautifully against the backdrop of that jet black leather ankle strap. We also have this tag. It goes on to tell us about the tech and spec with added pictures which are labeled, detailing everything from the air sole cushioning to all of the tech found in the upper, with the Jumpman found on the logo in black and red. Now out the neck we hit the rim of white, which then goes back into the rim of black. Again, lovely, sexy contrast. Now, medially, we are not too dissimilar to the lateral aspect. Like I said, it still has all of the same paneling with the black and white leather that is smooth. The only thing that we're missing, which is typical of a Jordan, is the embossed Air Jordan logo on the ankle strap portion. Anteriorly, we have the black outsole into the white midsole and jet black at the toe tip. Coming into the perforated white leather at the toe box, it is cold as ice. The tongue itself is white and features a bag of cushioning with a pre-laced black lace that's flat. Also comes with the extra obligatory white lace. It had to. It'd be wrong of it not to. As we come to the tip of the tongue, we see the Nike Air logo, black on white. And then when we come round to the posterior portion of the tongue, we see the Nike trademark information in black and white, and the fact that it's been made in China. When we come to the collar, we see that the collar is jet black with typical oodles and oodles of cushioning. We also have the serial number in white so that you know your shizzles of fish. The insole itself is a bright white with the Nike logo there. This one has some of the details of its production. Tells you about the Jordan brand Rubber & Co. Limited. Posteriorly, it is sexy as. Have you ever seen a more sexy rear end? It has the black outsole with the white midsole and the white swoosh, but it's made of really firm leather, a real robust and premium feel to this entire sneaker. We then hit the rim of white around the back here, which comes again into that thin rim of black. Black and white, popping beautifully. An excellent contrast. So what's your boys' final impressions? Let me know in the comment section what you guys are thinking. Are you going to cop? Have you already copped? Was you lucky enough to cop at retail? What my final impressions are that this is clean, simple and effective. Black and white are like palette cleansers. They go with everything. You can throw on a pair of black and white sneakers and not even think about what you're going to wear above them. I mean, it just works. So put that color palette onto a well-loved silhouette, the Jordan 1 High, built to the 85 specs. It's a must-have for the collection. Last re-released back in 2008, a long time ago. These are going to be heavily sought after. Gang, it's been a wave as always, but we gotta go. We out and bad.